Ever grappled with skin issues that just wouldn't budge? You're not alone. Many of us face these challenges, from acne to dry skin and everything in between. But what if the solution is closer than you think? Right in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered. Welcome to a world of plant-based, natural, homemade skincare remedies, courtesy of SkinCandyBath and Body. Our first remedy is a classic, the soothing oatmeal mask. Start by grinding half a cup of regular oats in your blender. Add in a quarter cup of water and mix until you have a paste. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. Oatmeal has natural cleansing properties and can help soothe irritated skin. Next up, the invigorating coffee scrub. Combine a cup of ground coffee with a cup of sugar and half a cup of coconut oil. Apply this mixture to your skin in circular motions, rinse off, and reveal revitalized skin. Coffee is a natural exfoliant and helps stimulate blood flow while coconut oil moisturizes. The third remedy is a refreshing cucumber face mask. Blend 1 small cucumber and mix it with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this cooling mixture to your face and rinse off after 15 minutes. Cucumbers are renowned for their hydrating properties, while aloe vera soothes and heals. Fourth on our list is the nourishing honey and avocado mask. Mash half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply to your face, let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourish the skin, while honey has antibacterial properties. Our final remedy is a revitalizing turmeric and yogurt face mask. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash it off. Turmeric has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and yogurt naturally exfoliates and smooths the skin. In summary, your kitchen offers a bounty of skincare solutions. From the soothing oatmeal mask to the invigorating coffee scrub, the refreshing cucumber mask, the nourishing honey and avocado mask, and the revitalizing turmeric and yogurt mask, these remedies are simple yet effective. All these ingredients work in harmony to cleanse, soothe, exfoliate, nourish, and rejuvenate your skin. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works best for your unique skin type and needs. And sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones, right at your fingertips. For more skincare tips and tricks, make sure to visit our website at skincandybath.com. SkinCandyBath and Body, bringing the best of nature to your skincare routine.